Cinecrisis. We're here on location in Atlanta, Georgia at Videodrome, one of the few remaining, or particularly maybe one of the last video stores in America. Now this is a interesting spot in Atlanta because this is where you can come and rent pretty much any movie that you want to. So let's take a look inside.
Cop. This is the best worst movie that has ever been made. It is an absolute gem, and everybody, it's a must-see.
So they even have Dr. X on Blu-ray, one of my favorite horror movies from the 1930s. What other video store can you come to and rent, one of these ultimate classics in pristine video quality? Only here. Alright, so that's a look inside Videodrome, a video rental store that's here in Atlanta, Georgia, just down the road from the Carter Presidential Library. Unfortunately, since I don't live here in Atlanta, I couldn't rent anything, but they do have a few things that are available to purchase as well. But this is quite a fascinating look into one of the last video stores in America. It's been here since 1998. It's got a lot of different variety and selections, and if you're ever in town, I recommend you come and check it out. Until that time, we'll see you here on Cinecrisis.